Officers in Glendale, Wisconsin are informed of two shoplifters at Target who are currently fleeing the scene in their vehicle. As multiple units arrive on scene, one officer spots the suspects and begins to approach their vehicle, unaware he's about to take part in one of the craziest pursuits and funniest arrests of his career.
Taking off northbound on Port, King David Paul 3628, Texas.
Over SUV, 1 for retail theft. Northbound on Port, 6,000 block.
Green light at Chipotle, continuing northbound, speeds of 50. Traffic is light.
Coming up to a red light at Glendale on Port, speeds are 60. You slow down for the red. Green light at Port Glendale, continuing northbound on Port.
Retail theft vehicle, silver Volkswagen or Volvo, I believe.
It's a GMC.
Therefore, continuing northbound, passing Clover Nook green light, speeds are 95.
Sorry, out there.
I'm going to try to get in front of him, get sticks if somebody wants to take my spot.
10-4, I'll do that. 30, call it when I do that. Coming up to a little bit of traffic at Starbucks, 6800 block. Continuing north on Port, coming up to a green light at Green Tree.
Light traffic. 528. Slow down for a green light. Going westbound on Green Tree from Port. Westbound coming up to Union Lake, speeds of 40. No traffic out here.
Continuing westbound on Green Tree.
Speeds of 65. No traffic.
Slowing down for the stop sign at River, continuing westbound. Stand by on which direction, north or west?
A little bit of traffic at the stop sign. 3 gate. Slowing down, continuing. And you went north on River towards Good Hope.
Continuing northbound on River Road at a red light, Good Hope and River, red light. Speeds are 50.
Speeds of 50.
Slowing down for that red light at Good Hope.
Westbound Good Hope, River.
Westbound on Good Hope, speeds are 45. We are in pursuit of a retail theft vehicle.
King David Paul 368, Texas. Over SUV, continue westbound, green light at Green Bay. Light traffic out here, speeds are 90. Terminate.
12, did you say terminate?
I did. Good. He's doing another U-turn over westbound.
10-4, terminating back eastbound on Good Hope. He's doing another U-turn going westbound on Good Hope, coming up to Green Bay. Red light there, stop 6.
Positive sticks.
Green Bay, red light there, stop 6.
Got him. Terminate, follow him. Terminate, follow him.
10-4, terminated, everything's off, continuing northbound. That vehicle is, I'm 35 miles per hour. He's northbound on Green Bay. His got good sticks on the driver's side. Tires are deflating right now. Passing the 7300 block of Good Hope on Green Bay northbound. Just following, not in pursuit.
No, Charlie, we're buddy.
Vehicle is continuing, it's slowing down now. It's passing a range line right now. I believe it went north on range line. I do not see it north on Green Bay. I got a citizen saying he went south on range line from Good Hope. Or I'm sorry, from Green Bay. Gonna continue to check the area, see if they ditched the vehicle. Gonna check Brown Deer Park. Disregard. He is southbound on Range Line. He's past the entrance to Brown Deer Park. He's gonna be coming up to Good Hope, probably westbound.
He's going to be making a U-turn eastbound on Good Hope. Probably going to go southbound on Range Line.
Had heavy tire cases at the intersection of Range Line and Good Hope.
You're losing the front driver's side tire.
Which direction are you going?
Currently southbound on Range Line. Southbound Range Line.
All right, he ducked in the neighborhood.
While officers lose sight of the suspects after they enter a neighborhood, reports of 2 male subjects were seen running in close proximity to where the suspects were last seen.
I was just told that 2 subjects ran westbound across the railroad tracks. From the area of Sydney and Bureau. I have yet to locate that vehicle.
734 is going to be on the west side. I believe it's Deer or Green Tree that comes out of the neighborhood. Behind leader towing.
Good.
As the suspects are still on the loose, this lucky officer happens to pass by a Domino's pizza place and sees 2 men inside that may match the suspect's description.
Just the description again.
The 2 white males, one's older, wearing a black jacket, possibly with a brown paper bag, and the second one is wearing a black leather jacket and darker blue jeans. Both white males.
I can't see the race, but there are 2 males standing inside a Domino's. This is them, 750. Hurry up. Come on out.
You're under arrest.
Both of you. Hands
On the ground.
Hands behind your back. Hands behind your fucking back. You hear me? Get on the fucking ground. Get on the ground.
Have you lost your motherfucking mind today? Taser!
Put your hands behind your back. Put your hands behind your back.
Out of your damn mind.
You keep your hands behind your back too.
If you don't keep moving your hand, quit moving your damn hand.
Right, I'm still on.
You can get half off Domino's pizzas when you order online right now.
Sit down. Glasses right now.
Were you concerned about your glasses? So explain to me why I should be. I'll pick them up for you. But you're done doing this stuff, okay? We done chased you all over. Good. Then why'd you try to run out of Domino's?
I didn't try to run nothing.
Okay, see this?
I'm paying for a soda.
Yeah? What'd you pay for at Target?
I didn't go to Target.
Okay. So now you done lied.
I don't understand.
You don't have to.
Right, thank you.
It's all on camera, see? Welcome to 2024. It's amazing.
Stop moving. I gotta sit up, man.
You can sit right where you are.
Thank you.
Any knives, needles, anything sharp on you?
No.
No needles or anything?
Your glasses are going to be in your front pocket.
Are they there? What, can you check the lens? Make sure the lenses are there, please.
They were there. Like I said, you weren't worried about them before when you tried to run out of here.
I didn't try to run. I was paying for a soda.
Paying for a soda caused you to stand up on this and try to jump past us?
I was trying to jump past you. I was
Okay.
paying for a soda.
Tell you what. Why don't you stop talking?
Stand up. I'm gonna come grab your stuff and go into the squad. Is it yours free?
Yeah, mine's free.
Yeah, I got mine on the bike trail. Pop a seat. You injured at all?
Yeah.
What's going on?
My elbow, my rib where you need me.
What do you need you?
Yeah, you do.
Okay. Other than that, you're okay?
My wrist takes a bit.
Because of the cuffs? Because you were fighting with us?
I wasn't fighting.
Okay.
I wasn't fighting. You came.
How you doing, sir? Sorry to interrupt your business like that. They came into your business, right?
They said right now they say anything.
They didn't order anything? Was anything odd about their behavior? Did he say anything in specific? Nope. I appreciate your time. No problem, sir. Yep.
Where's this hat at?
That's right here.
He just came in. Did he buy a soda? Because he said he was trying to buy something.
They didn't buy anything. I was making food, and when I went to ask them, can I help you guys? And they said, you were about to make an order, and I went up to the register, and then I saw you guys
coming in,
drive in and get out. I was like, damn.
All right, man. Thank you.
The suspect with the bald head seen being arrested in the body cam footage, Gary, was charged with retail theft and resisting obstructing an officer, believe it or not. He also had an active warrant for his arrest for 8 other retail theft charges, a robbery with threat of force charge, and another resisting obstructing charge. Gary took a plea deal and pleaded guilty to all but 2 retail theft charges, resulting in a sentence of 4 years in prison and 3 years of extended supervision. He is also prohibited from all Menards, Home Depots, Lowe's, Best Buys, and Targets, as those were all the stores he had stolen from in the past. The other suspect involved in the incident in the body cam footage, John, was the driver of the vehicle, leading to his charges of felony fleeing, eluding, hit and run, felony second-degree recklessly endangering safety, retail theft, and possession of cocaine. As his case is still ongoing and he has not yet been sentenced, he is presumed innocent unless proven guilty in a court of law.
When you're shopping with your family, do you ever think you're standing 5 feet away from somebody who's ready to run from cops over toothpaste and hoodies? On many occasions, these thieves are in the same place as you and I, but they're not shopping, they're planning their escape. You can always spot them because they move very differently. They scan, they pace, and they're already halfway into getaway mode before the first item even hits the cart. So my question is, why are people in 2026 still trying to steal from Target like it's 1998, when they've got cameras, facial recognition, digital tracking, and corporate intel that's built like a police force? That's not bold, that's delusional. But this is the mindset that turns petty theft into felony time because they got caught and instead of taking the loss, they hit the gas. Now it's fleeing, reckless endangerment, resisting, all because they couldn't walk out empty-handed. Now credit where it's due, these officers responded to this call very well. They used great communication and they used the appropriate amount of force while taking no BS from the suspects to make the arrest. Always remember, Target doesn't just watch you, they train the staff to 10 for you. They acknowledge you within 10 feet and engage you within 4 to make sure you know you've been seen. Because when you're seen, you're already caught.